Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in today's behind the scenes video, we are at the Olsen Mansion, and I am photographing one of my best friends, Anya, in the cutest pink puffy dress. Before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free behind the scenes video possible. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. Let's start out, Anya, by doing some full body shots. Super simple. Cross the legs for me. And then with this hand, puff the dress out just ever so slightly. Beautiful. When it comes to fluffing out the dresses, you want to have it where we're not picking it up like this, but rather we're fluffing from the back. And then you can almost kind of move your hips with it as well. And this is a lot more natural. It also has the fabric fall a lot better than if we're holding it like this. This looks very posed. This looks kind of, a bit more natural. So very cute, Anya. And then I guess with these sleeves, we're gonna wanna be kind of mindful because they do wanna go up like under on your fingers. And then is it okay if I kind of adjust your hair throughout the shoot? Okay, perfect, thank you. Gorgeous. Cute, oh my goodness. Okay, perfection. And look at me one more time. Beautiful. Okay, now let's do some where I'm gonna have you walk. So I'm gonna have you, can we talk about how the coordination right now? Like, I'm sorry, but we just need to acknowledge how cute this is. I always try to coordinate when I can, and this is probably the best of the best that I've done. So, Anya, I'm gonna have you come right here, and this is the moment, like this is the time when you're gonna be giving a little pinky up, you're gonna be giving, I'm walking the walk, I don't just talk the talk. So, and we're gonna do maybe like a 1-2 step with the heel, and then it's pretty easy to do this with heels, but if your client is wearing like a flat shoe, the best way to walk the walk is to cross the legs over each other, and then you can also have them point that toe before they step down. And when you're selecting the images in post, you want to select the images where that leg is like this rather than up or like this, okay? So cute. Horrible, amputate it now. But with heels, it's pretty easy to do that. And then that means when I'm shooting, I'm gonna make sure that I get that shot. Oh my goodness, you look so beautiful. This moment for you. Okay, beautiful. And then as she comes closer to the camera, I keep shooting, I just readjust because there's some cute little shots you can get. Beautiful. Yes, can you do that one more time? Stay just like that. Let's do almost like a fake one.
A fake turnaround?
A fake turn, yeah. And then with the leg, so turn, and then let's do leg like this. So we see the bottom of the heel, and then we see the calf, and the calf kind of is flexed. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so let me just adjust. Yep, and I'm just gonna have you stay just like that. And then look over this shoulder. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute, Anya. Oh my, stop it, like this moment. Okay, look over at me. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, it's giving everything that we need and more. Beautiful. So good, Anya. Oh my gosh, you look so cute.
Oh, I love that.
They asked and you delivered. Oh, I love that. Kick your leg up again for, oh, and what are they teaching you in LA? They're giving you the, yes! Throw that hand up when you do that for me. when you kick the leg up, throw this hand up. Yeah, beautiful. One more time for me. Oh wait, there we go. Okay, one more time. Okay, 4 more times. OMG, Anye. This is magical. Okay, can you give me a big ol' spinneroo? Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm manually focusing this. Okay, beautiful. Oh, stay just like that. We're gonna do a OMG. Okay, smile big. So cute. Okay, turn this way, but keep the same. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, Anye. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Big smile. Gorgeous. Photographer, if you are looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. Whether you want feedback on your website or help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know about new free photography videos. I will see you over in my next video where I talk about how to get started traveling for Photoshoot. It's such a good one. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.